for discussing thyroidinum, one word that I would like to describe you for thyroidinum. If you want to understand thyroidinum, just keep in mind, thyroidinum is a remedy that has, with any complaint, a strong accompanying phenomena of very deep-rooted, deep-seated allergic tendency. Deep-rooted, deep-seated allergic tendency is one of the best accompanying symptom with any type of disease. And this is one of the very important core of understanding thyroidinum. It was said regarding thyroidinum that if you have symptoms of three important, you can say, pillar. One is history of recurrent allergy or urticaria, history of angioneurotic edema, either in the family or in the past or accompanying in the patient, along with metabolic diseases in the family, or the expression of pathology in the patient in the form of metabolic diseases, either diabetes, gout, etc. This form one of the very important basis for selection of thyroidinum.